The focus is this one, a linear. This one is linear equation. The second one here is what? Is quadratic equation. Okay, but let's warm up with this first equation. The two are linear. This one, x plus y. Let's start with this one. For this case, call this one equation 1, call this one equation 2. The two equations for the first one are linear, a linear equation. Okay, as we are coming in, just say I. Okay, this, what we're going to do is to go to the first one will be much easier to make the substitution. Okay, so from equation 1, you could make x as a subject, and at the same time, you can also make y as a subject. The ball is in your court. The choice is yours. Let's make x the subject. That will be 11 minus y. Call this equation 3. Call this equation 3. Call this equation 3. Then plug in equation 3 into 2. Plug in equation 3 into 2. And bear in mind that equation 3 and 1 are the same. So you can't put 3 into 1. Okay? You substitute equation 3 into different equation. Equation 3 into different equation. So that will be equal to what? Anywhere you see x, you put this expression there. That will be 11 minus y times y equal to 30. Do the expansion. This one times this one. That's 11y. This one again times this one. That's a minus y squared equal to 30. Bring all the equation to one side. So that will be minus 11y minus y squared minus 30 equal to 0. Okay. Multiply through by minus 1. So this one times minus, this one times minus, this one times minus. So we're going to have y squared minus 11y plus 30 equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay. So what we're going to do now is to factorize this one, because this one is a purely quadratic equation. Factorize that. Okay. What we are going to do is to look for factors of 30. Factors of 30. Okay. They can generate minus 11. Factors of 30. They can give us minus 11 either by adding or subtracting. Okay. So that will be 15 and 2 can't give us minus 11. Okay. Another factor of 30 is 6 and 5. So how do we use 6 and 5? How do we use 6 and 5? 6 and 5 to get minus 11. That will be minus 6 minus what? Minus 5. Okay. And when you multiply minus 6 minus 5, you're going to have what? Plus what? Plus 30. So this y squared, one will be here, one will be here, minus 6 minus 5. Okay. Y minus 6 is equal to 0. Y minus 5 is equal to 0. And get the other variable. Okay. Don't forget we have x plus y equal to 11. Okay. So let's when we have 6, put it here. That'll be x plus 6 equal to 11. So x is equal to what? 11 minus 6, that's 5. Okay, so in that case now, the coordinate will be 5, 6. When x is 5, y is 6. The other one, x plus y equal to 11. Plug in 5, that will be x plus 5 equal to 11. X equal to what? 6. So the coordinate here is what? 6, 5. And that's finished. Let's go to second question. It's linear. This is linear equation. This is linear. And this one is quadratic. It's quadratic equation. Okay? And the methods we're going to use is substitution. Okay? You make an equation for linear equation and substitute into the quadratic equation. So call this one equation 1, call this one equation 2. Okay, so from equation 1, I've told us that look for variable that has attachment as 1. Okay, so make the y the subject, make y the subject, and call this one equation 3. Okay, make y the subject. Then after that, now do your substitution. Substitute the new equation, substitute equation 3 into 2. Substitute or plug in equation 3 into 2. So we're going to have s squared plus 1 minus 2x, okay, and square that equal to what? Equal to 1. Okay. Begin to type as you are coming in. Say I as you are coming in. Say I as you are coming in. Then the next thing to do, I want to note, when you have a minus b square, I want to use that. It's going to give you a square minus 2ab plus b square. I'm going to use that. If this is a plus, the whole expression will be plus. If this is plus, the whole expression will be plus. Okay, so let's use this identity to make the work faster for this one, and that will be equal to s squared plus this one. Now this is your a, this 2b is your b, so that will be a squared, that's 1, okay, minus the invisible 2, okay, and then a times b. Your a is 1 and your b is what? 2x. It's as simple as a, b, c. Okay, the final one plus b squared. B squared, that will be what? 2x. 2x squared equal to what? Equal to 1. Okay, then we're going to have now s squared. This one will be what? Minus 4x. And then plus 4x squared. If you expand this one, the square will affect the 2, will affect s squared. Okay, if you do this one, it's going to affect each of the contents. And then move this one to the left side. So 1 minus 1 cancel. We have what? We have 0. Okay, then you can combine these two together. That will be s squared minus what? Plus 4x. S squared plus 4x, that's a 5x squared minus 4x equal to 0. X is here, take it out, equal to 0. Okay, and the implication, when you have an expression equal to 0, it implies that x is equal to 0 or or 5x minus 4 equal to 0. So x is equal to what? 4 over 5. S is equal to 0 or 4 over 5. Okay? S is equal to 0 or 4 over 5. Begin to type I as we are coming in. Begin to type I. Say something. Say something. Begin to say I as we are coming in. And if you are new, okay, if you're new on the channel, please subscribe straight away. Do it now. If you are new, we are just coming to this place. Subscribe right now. Do it right now. Do it now. Procrastination is a thief of time. Okay? Subscribe. Don't stop there. Begin to share the links of this video across all your different platforms. Okay? Call someone now. Call someone now. Okay? And make that calling a geometric expression, a geometric progression. So what I will do now, let's do the when x is 0, use the end of the equation. I'm using this first equation. When x is 0, automatically, if you put it here, y will be 1. So this one is done. The second one, let's do that. When x is x is 4 over 5, we're going to have q times 4 over 5 plus y equal to 1. Okay, and then make y the subject, and that will be equal to 1 minus q times this one, that's 8 over 5. So if you do the algebra, 5 times 1, that's a 5 minus 8 over 5, and that's what? Minus 3 over 5. Thank you at IDOG. Okay, thank you for that contribution. Thank you. Okay, so that's that. Then if you like, so your answer is this. You can make it in the coordinate form, 4 over 5 comma minus 3 over 5. So that's your solution to that equation. This one is linear. This is linear. Okay, the first one is linear. The second one is quadratic in nature. This is quadratic in nature. Okay, what do we do? What do we do? It is much easier to make another equation from 1. Call this one equation 1 for the linear. Okay, and actually they've already made an equation for us. You can use y equal to 3x. You can make x as a subject. But there's no need to make x as a subject. We already have y as a subject of formula. Okay, so plug in, call this one equation 2. Plug in equation 1 into 2. Plug in equation 1 into 2. So we're going to have, anywhere you see y, you put 3x there. And that will be equal to 2 into brackets 3x squared minus x into bracket 3x equal to what? Equal to 15. And then you begin to expand. Mind you, these two will affect each of the contents. So this will become 3 squared, that's 9, and then x squared times what? Times 2. Okay? And then minus 3x squared equal to what? 15. Okay? And that will give us 18x squared minus 3x squared equal to what? Equal to 15. Do the subtraction. This will be 15x squared equal to what? 15. Make x squared the subject, that's 1. Then take the square root of both sides. That's what? Plus or minus 1. Okay? Okay. Thank you for coming on board. We are looking at simultaneous equation, whereby one of the equations is linear, while the second one is quadratic in nature. So it's a combination of linear and quadratic equation. Okay, And the method we are using in this aspect is substitution method. Okay, you make, okay, you generate, possibly you substitute from the linear equation, get a new equation for linear, and put it in the what? In the quadratic equation. So this is what we have now. This is what we have now. So what we are going to do now is to, when x is 1 plus 1, when x is plus 1, y will be what? Y will be 3. I'm using the first equation. So the coordinate is 1, 3. The coordinate is 1, 3. The second one, when x is minus 1, use this equation again. Y will be what? With minus 3. The coordinate is what? Minus 1, minus 3. Equation. Okay? Equation 2 is complex. It's quadratic. Make a new equation from the linear equation. You could make x the subject. You could, at the same time, make y the subject. The ball is in your court. The choice is yours. Let's make x the subject and call it equation 3. Make x the subject and give it a name, equation 3. Okay? Give it a name. So in that case now, I'm going to, don't forget, equation 3 and 1, they are the same equation. Equation 3 and 1 are the same equation. Okay? So I'm going to substitute 3 into 2. I'm going to plug in equation 3 into 2. Okay? Anywhere you see x, you put this expression 9 minus y there. And that will be equal to 9 minus y. And then you square that. And then minus 3, x is what? 9 minus y. Okay? Times y. And then plus what? 2y squared equal to 0. Invite someone. Don't watch alone. Okay? Don't watch alone. Share the links right now. Call someone right now to join this live section. Okay? Don't watch alone. I have some people also watching with me. Okay, I'm not the only one here. Okay? Don't watch alone. Call someone right now. Call someone right now to join this live section. Share the links right now. Okay? And if you're coming in for the first time, subscribe. Okay? Thank you for doing that. What we do is to use these identity note that a plus b squared give you this. Okay? And I'm going to apply that. This will be my a, this will be my b. So apply that. This is a, that's 9 squared, that's 81. And then minus 2 times a, and then times b. My b is y. And then plus b squared. B is y. Okay, minus 3. This one times this one, we have this. Minus this one times this one, y squared plus what? 2y squared. So this is what we have now. So this will be 81 minus 18y, 2 times 9 times y, plus y squared. Okay, then open these brackets, open the brackets, allow the 3 to go in, let it go in, and that will be minus 3 times 9, that's a minus 27y, minus 3 times this one, times minus y squared, that's a plus 3y squared, and then plus 2y squared equal to 0. Okay, we can combine. If we check now, this one, that's 6y squared. Okay, and then minus 18, minus 27, minus 18, minus 27. That's what? That's 45. That's minus 45 y. and then plus what? Plus 81 equal to what? 0. Okay. Then we can divide each of them by 3. 3 goes there. So that will be 2y squared. And this one will be what? Minus 15y. And this is what? Plus 27. Okay. Equal to what? Equal to 0. Then you can now do your AC. This is your A is 2, your C 27. And that will be what? That will be plus 54 y squared. Okay. 54y squared. We're going to have 2y squared minus 9. Let me make it minus 6. Minus 6y minus 9y. Okay. That's the replacement of the B 15. Okay. Minus 6 minus 9. That's minus 15. Okay. Then plus 27 equal to 0. Then begin to pair the first two, pair the last two. 2 goes, 2y is common. That'll be y minus 3. Here also, minus 3 is common. Take it out. That's y. And then minus times plus, that's minus. 3 in 27. That's here. Go for the ith factor. That'll be 9. So that'll be y. And that'll be what? 3 equal to what? 0. Okay. When you factor, the two expressions must be the same thing. So you take one of that and then times what? 2y minus what? Minus 9. 2y minus 9. So that's what we have equal to 0. And don't forget, when you have an expression, okay, and you are multiplying, the implication of that is that this is equal to 0, or this one also is also equal to what? It's also equal to 0. Let's get that. Don't forget, we have one of the equations is x plus y equal to 9. Okay, equal to 9. So that's one of the equation. So we can when y is 3, when y is 3, then we're going to have x plus 3 equal to 9. X is 6. So the coordinate is what? 3, 3. Okay, when x is 3, y is 3. 6. This one is 6. The second one, when y is 9 over 2, when y is 9 over 2, use your equation. That will be x plus y. That will be x plus 9 over 2 equal to 9. Make x the subject. That will be 9 minus 9 over 2. And that will be equal to what? 18 minus 9 over 2. That's also 9 over 2. So the coordinate is what? Is 9 over 2. X is 9 over 2. Y is what? 9 over 2. Okay, that's that on that solution. Solve the simultaneous equation. If you look at the equation, okay, the first one is linear. The first equation is linear equation. The second one is quadratic in nature. How do we solve it? Okay, that is what we want to do in this question. Okay, as you're coming in, you can say I, type your question, share the links across your different platforms. Thank you for doing that. Let's, as you are coming in, just say something. Hello, I. Say something. Okay? If you have your own question, begin to forward it now. Begin to forward it now. Invite someone. And make your invitation, make it a geometric progression. Invite someone, let that someone also invite another one. Okay? Let's make the invitation massive. Thank you for doing that. Let's see the solution to this question. What we do here, what we're going to do in these aspects is much easier to work on the linear equation. This is linear. Call it equation 1. Call this one equation 2. From the equation 1, we can make B the subjects. We can make B the subjects. That will be 8 minus 3a, and call it equation 3. Okay? Why not making A as a subject? Why not A? Why? If you make A the subject, the equation would be a fraction, and that will take time. It's better to avoid fraction. But sometimes we can have a fraction. There's no problem. We can have fraction. But if you can have the coefficients of one of your variables as linear, okay, it's much better to make such one as the subject, as we have done in this question. Okay, as we have done in this question. Okay, as you're coming in, begin to say I. Okay, hello. Okay, I'm here. Okay, begin to type your question, forward your question, your own question, forward it right now. If you have question also, begin to type it right now. This is a serious business. Okay, let's go on to where we are now. We have equation 3. Okay, then the next thing to do now, equation 1 and 3 are the same. You can't put 3 into 1. You're going to put 3 into different equations. So plug in or substitute equation 3 into 2. Equation 3 into 2. Okay, and we're going to have, anywhere you see B, you put this expression there, 8 minus 3a. So that will be equal to 3a squared plus b squared. That will be 8 minus 3a all squared equal to what? 28. Okay? Then the next thing to do is to do the algebra. Do the algebra. And that will be equal to 3a squared. Do the expansion of this one. That will be a squared. That's 64. That's 64. A squared. That's 64. Minus that 2 times a. And then times b. Okay. And then plus b squared. That's that 9a squared equal to 28. Okay. If you don't like this expansion, you can do your normal expansion. It's just that we want to save our time. We want to save our time. You can use the normal expansion. The normal expansion of what? 8 minus 3a times what? 8 minus 3a. Okay. The choice is yours. Okay. So then the next thing to do now, as you're coming in, begin to say I. Begin to say I. Begin to say I. Okay. Sorry for a little noise, and that shows that this is not robots. Okay. So that's what we have now. This will be 3a squared plus 64. Okay. 2 times 8. That's 16. Let's start from here. 8 times 3. 8 times 3, 24. Times 2. That's okay. That's minus 48a plus 9a squared equal to 28. Okay. Okay. Thank you. If you are yet to subscribe, please do that now. If you are yet to subscribe, do that now. So let's see where we stop. 8 times 3, that's 24, times 2, that's 48. Okay. We can move this 28 to the other side. That minus 28 equal to 0. Okay. Please. Thank you. 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 Bàbá yẹn bọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ìlú ẹjọ́ ẹ má bínú ẹjọ́ àgbẹ̀ parí náà ká máa kúrò níbi láìpẹ́ ẹ má bínú ẹjọ́. So thank you for coming on board. Thank you. As you are coming in, just say I. Say I. If you are yet to subscribe, do it right now. Share the links across your different platform. Okay, share the links across your different platform. If you have your own question, forward it right now. So this is what we have now. This one and this one, that will give us 12a squared. That will give us 12a squared. Okay. Then we can, that's a minus 48. Minus 48. Okay. Then we can 64 minus 28. 64 minus 28. Okay, that will be 6, and then that will be 3. That will be plus 36 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So that's what we have in that case. Begin to say I as you are coming in. Say I as you are coming in. Say I as you are coming in. Okay, say I as you are coming in. Share the links of this video across your different platform. Share the links of this video across your different platform. Okay, say I as you are coming in. Share the links. Hydrogen, I didn't see you again. Share your question. Okay, say something. Okay, say something. Say something. Share the links of this video across your different platform. Share the links of this video. So what we can do now, this way we can reduce the number by dividing each one by 12. This one over 12 over 12 over 12. That will be a squared. Okay, minus this will give us 4a, and then plus what? Plus 3 equal to 0. Then you can do the factoring. You can factorize that. You have this. Factors of 3 is what? 3 and 1. That minus 3 minus 1. So a is equal to what? A is equal to 3 or 1. A is equal to 3 or 1. So a is equal to 3 or 1. So that's what we have in that question. That's what we have in that question. Then the next thing to do now, we've gotten A, we need to get the B. We can start from here. When A is 3, we're going to have 3A plus B equal to 8. Okay, and that will be 3 times 3, that's 9, plus B equal to 8. B is what? Minus 1. So the coordinates A comma B will be what? A comma B, that's 3 comma minus 1, 3 comma minus 1, and what again? When your A is 1, you're going to have 3 times 1 plus B equal to 8. Then B is equal to what? 8 minus 3, that's 5. So the coordinate will be this one or what? Or 1 comma 5. And that's that on that question. 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 Yeah, this is our last question, okay, for this section. Okay, this is a question. Let's see the solution in the comment section. Put your x value in the comment section, your y value in the comment section. Okay, at this point, I want to say thank you for coming on board. Thank you for typing comments, for saying something. Okay, thank you for sharing the links of this video across your different platform. Thank you once again. Thank you once again. See you again by the grace of God tomorrow. Okay, keep liking this channel, keep sharing. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe, do it right now. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.